Welcome inside one of the most breathtaking modern estates currently offered in Los Angeles, California, a spectacular 7-bedroom architectural masterpiece priced at $17,995,000. From the very first moment you arrive, this home makes a powerful statement of contemporary luxury, privacy, and refined living. Perfectly positioned in one of the city's most desirable hillside neighborhoods. Designed to blur the line between indoor and outdoor living, this mansion captures panoramic city views, dramatic sunsets, and the unmistakable energy of Los Angeles, all while delivering the comfort and exclusivity expected at this level. As you approach the gated entrance, a long private driveway guides you toward the residence, setting the tone for what lies ahead. Clean architectural lines, expansive glass walls, natural stone, and warm wood accents create a striking first impression. The facade is bold yet elegant, combining modern minimalism with a welcoming presence that feels both impressive and livable. Mature landscaping surrounds the property, offering privacy from the street while framing the home in lush greenery that contrasts beautifully with its crisp modern design. Stepping through the oversized pivot door, you are immediately greeted by a dramatic double-height foyer flooded with natural light. Floor to ceiling glass panels stretch upward, drawing your eye toward the open sky and distant city skyline beyond. Wide, blank hardwood floors run seamlessly throughout the main level, guiding you into an expansive open, concept living space that defines modern California luxury. The sense of scale is immediate, yet the thoughtful design keeps the atmosphere warm and inviting rather than overwhelming. The main living area is designed to be both a showpiece and a comfortable everyday space. A sleek linear fireplace anchors the room, set against a custom stone or textured feature wall that adds depth and character. Floor-to ceiling sliding glass doors fully retract, opening the living room directly to the outdoor terrace and infinity edge pool beyond. With the doors open, the boundary between inside and outside disappears, allowing fresh air, natural light, and stunning views to become part of the living experience. Adjacent to the living room is a spacious formal dining area, perfectly positioned to take advantage of the view. Whether hosting an intimate dinner or a large gathering, this space is designed to impress. A custom modern chandelier floats above the dining table, adding a sculptural element without distracting from the panoramic backdrop of Los Angeles stretching out below. The layout flows effortlessly, making entertaining feel natural and seamless. The chef's kitchen is a true centerpiece of the home, combining high-end functionality with refined modern aesthetics. A massive waterfall ledge island takes center stage, offering seating for casual meals, morning coffee, or guests enjoying a drink while meals are prepared. Custom cabinetry provides ample storage while maintaining a clean, uncluttered look. Top-of-the-line integrated appliances including professional-grade refrigeration, ovens, and a gas cooktop ensure the kitchen is as practical as it is beautiful. Subtle lighting accents highlight the textures and finishes, creating an atmosphere that feels both luxurious and inviting. Just off the kitchen, a secondary prep kitchen or pantry area offers additional storage and workspace, ideal for catered events or keeping the main kitchen pristine during gatherings. This thoughtful addition reflects the home's focus on both everyday convenience and high-end entertaining. Also on the main level is a private guest suite, offering comfort and privacy for visitors. With its own en-suite bathroom and generous closet space, this bedroom feels more like a boutique hotel suite than a guest room. Large windows allow natural light to fill the space while maintaining privacy through smart positioning and landscaping. A stylish powder room on the main floor showcases modern finishes and custom design details, ensuring even the smallest spaces feel intentional and refined. Nearby, a dedicated office or study provides a quiet and sophisticated environment for work, from home living, complete with built-in shelving and views that inspire productivity. As you ascend the floating staircase, accented by glass railings and ambient lighting, you are led to the upper level where the home's private living quarters are located. The staircase itself feels like a piece of art, drawing the eye upward while maintaining an open connection between floors. The primary suite is nothing short of extraordinary, designed as a true retreat from the city below. Expansive in scale, the bedroom features floor-to-ceiling glass that frames sweeping views of Los Angeles, from the hills to the city lights that sparkle at night. A private terrace extends from the suite, offering a peaceful outdoor escape perfect for morning coffee or evening relaxation. The primary bathroom rivals the finest luxury spas, featuring a freestanding soaking tub positioned to capture the views, a large walk-in rain shower with multiple shower heads, and custom vanities with designer fixtures. Natural stone, warm wood tones, and soft lighting create a serene and indulgent atmosphere. A massive walk-in closet completes the suite, offering boutique-style organization with custom shelving, display areas, and ample storage for an extensive wardrobe. Additional bedrooms on the upper level are equally impressive, each designed with comfort, privacy, and style in mind. Every bedroom features its own in-suite bathroom, high ceilings, and large windows or glass doors that bring in natural light and views. These rooms are ideal for family members, guests, or even flexible use as fitness rooms or creative studios, depending on lifestyle needs. A central lounge or family area on the upper floor provides a relaxed space for movie nights, reading, or casual gatherings. This area connects the bedrooms while maintaining a sense of separation from the main entertaining spaces below. Descending to the lower level, the home reveals an entirely new dimension of luxury living. Designed for entertainment and relaxation, this level offers amenities typically found in five-star resorts. A state-of-the-art home theater features plush seating, acoustic paneling, and a large projection screen, creating an immersive cinematic experience without ever leaving home. Nearby, a fully equipped gym allows for private workouts in a sleek and motivating environment. Floor-to-ceiling mirrors, professional-grade equipment, and ample space make this fitness area both functional and visually appealing. For wellness and relaxation, a spa-inspired area may include a sauna, steam room, or massage space, offering a true retreat within the home. A temperature-controlled wine cellar adds another layer of sophistication, providing the perfect environment to store and display a curated collection. Adjacent lounge seating creates a natural gathering spot for tastings and conversations, enhancing the home's entertaining capabilities. The lower level also includes additional guest accommodations or staff quarters, each designed with the same attention to detail and comfort found throughout the home. A dedicated laundry area and ample storage ensure that practical needs are met without compromising the home's refined aesthetic. Stepping outside, the outdoor living spaces are where this mansion truly shines. Designed to take full advantage of Southern California's climate, the backyard feels like a private resort overlooking the city. The infinity edge pool appears to merge with the skyline, creating a breathtaking visual effect during the day and an even more dramatic scene at night when the city lights come alive. A spacious pool deck offers multiple lounging areas, perfect for sunbathing, relaxing, or entertaining guests. A built-in outdoor kitchen and barbecue area make alfresco dining effortless, while covered seating areas provide shade and comfort throughout the day. Fire features add warmth and ambience in the evenings, transforming the space into an ideal setting for gatherings or quiet moments under the stars. Thoughtful landscaping enhances privacy while maintaining open sightlines to the views. Mature trees, sculpted greenery, and subtle lighting create a tranquil atmosphere that feels worlds away from the city, even though you are just minutes from Los Angeles' best dining, shopping, and entertainment. Smart home technology is seamlessly integrated throughout the property, allowing for effortless control of lighting, climate, security, and entertainment systems. With the touch of a button or a simple voice command, the entire home can be customized to suit any mood or occasion. Advanced security features provide peace of mind, ensuring privacy and safety at all times. This 7-bedroom modern mansion is more than just a home, it is a statement of lifestyle. Every detail has been carefully considered to deliver a living experience that balances luxury, comfort, and contemporary design. From its breathtaking views and resort-style amenities to its thoughtful layout and refined finishes, this property represents the very best of modern Los Angeles living. Priced at $17,995,000, this estate offers an exceptional opportunity to own a world-class residence in one of the most coveted real estate markets in the world. Whether you envision hosting unforgettable gatherings, enjoying quiet moments of relaxation, or simply waking up each day surrounded by beauty and views, this home delivers on every level. This is not just a place to live, but a place to experience life at its highest standard, right here in the heart of Los Angeles, California.